Morning, afternoon, wherever you're watching. Welcome back once again to the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, what do we have today? We have the cubic equation. Let me show you. If you have something like this, how do we quickly find x? Now look at this, is negative 11. To remove negative 11, you add 11 to both sides. So when you do that, it becomes x cubed is equals to 53 plus 11, because the positive 11 you add here will cancel out with this negative, so you have our x cube is equals to 64. Now here you take the cube root of both sides, take the cube root of those sides to get what our x will be. The cube root means what number will I multiply 3 times, that will give me 64. So you have cube root of 64, and which is 4, because 4 times 4 times 4 will give me 64. 4 times 4, 60. 60 times 4, 64. So that is the value of x. Very easy. Now let's look at this one. Same thing. This is negative 1. Add 1 to both sides. So we have x cubed is equals to 124 plus 1. So x cubed is equals to 125. Same thing. Take the cube root of both sides. Now, what number will I multiply 3 times? That will give me 125. That's 5. Because 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5, 125. So our x equals to 5. Now, let's look at this one. Now, this is 3x cubed plus 5 equals to 29. Take away 5 from here, because this is positive 5. To remove it, you introduce negative 5. So this becomes 3x cubed equals to 29 minus 5. 29 minus 5 is 24. So you have 3x cubed is equals to 24. Now, what do? The coefficient of x cubed, take it away. This is 3 times. To remove multiplication, we introduce division. So this becomes, we divide both sides by 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 here 8. So x cubed is equals to 8. Now, same thing. We are almost pretty much done. Take the cube root of both sides. Cube root of both sides. So our x will be equals to 2, because 2 will multiply 3 times, that will give us 8. Let's look at this one. Same thing here. This is 2x cubed minus 10 equals 6. Now let's add 10 to both sides. So this becomes 2x cubed equals to 6 plus 10. Now this becomes 2x cubed equals to 16. Same thing, we divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2 we cancel 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 8. So x cubed is equals to 8, just like this one. We take the cube root of both sides. So our answer will also be 8. Just will also be 2, just like we had here, because it's 2 that we multiply 3 times to give me 8. Alright, look at this last 2 questions. I'm pretty much sure that you have understood the process. So I leave this one, x cubed plus 9 equals to 73, and x cubed plus 3 equals to 30. Solve it and do let me know the answers in the comment section. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. If you're ready to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till we meet again in the next Making Maths Class. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.